Now we going for the defective challan. How to check the defective challans? How many challan is pending with you? Where it is pending? How it is expired? When we are going to reject? When we are approving? All these things is visible in defective challan. Okay, defective challan. Before starting the session, I'll show one PPT so that you have a better understanding. For the defective challan, first process, flow of the defective challan. What is the flow of the defective challan? First I'll show the process. Okay, defective challan process. First step, as a owner or as a user, we have to take care of this thing. SR has to approve. Now I'll tell you two different things. SR rejected, part consumed means part penalized and part amount also you are not getting because challan was not generated. It means you are getting two-way loss. So before any rejection, any clarification, you have to check and give the golden photo in a part call. What are the golden photo? Serial number photo, invoice copy photo, part defective photo, OK part photo. After fitting the parts, take the photo. Correct? This is the golden photo. Once SR approved, then it comes for the defective challan. SR approved, then we generate the defective order. It doesn't mean it is settled. Now order generated. Now it goes to create the challan first. It may be you create the challan. It may not be you create the challan. If you are not able to create the challan within 15 days, time vary can be possible. आज 15 days है, कल 7 days भी हो सकता है. It may be 21 days भी हो जाए. Okay, then it expired. After expiry, again you have a timeline. You have a 3 or 4 days timeline. It may be varies based on the instructions. Once you claim this order, send to the CRM team for approving, but CRM team require HOD approval. You send HOD approval mail also to the CRM team, then CRM team will approve. If HOD not approve, then it goes for final reject. It will not accept. If approve, then you can able to create the challan. Now suppose you created the challan and you send to the warehouse, correct? After sending to the warehouse has a two option, either reject or accept. If he reject one time, first time, you can see here rejection first time, then again you have option for recreation of the challan. Ask to the warehouse, why are you rejected? Why are you rejected? Okay, then based on their inputs you again recreate and send to back proper way. Again it is accepted, then FO will generate, spare FO we can say. Okay, then here final reject is there. Suppose he reject twice, then it is the final reject. Understood? Any query, any doubt, any issue? Any issue? I have logged in with your ID. Site map, defective challan. Defective challan, new. This is the screen, challan creation pending for SF. Here you can check the defect part status is what showing.
Collected.
It means challan need to create, order generated, but still you are not creating the challan. Meaning of this, if any challan expire, then it will visible here. Okay, then it is visible here. You can select and create the challan. Very easy. Everybody knows.
Yes, sir.
Now we go to the next, print challan. Whatever you have already created the challan. Here you can check for the printing. And nomenclature of challan, R means returnable challan. 152348 is your franchisee code. 21 means year 2021. Then month. Then running number. इस महीने में on December 2021, this is your fourth challan. Understood? Nomenclature of the challan. Now here there are so many line items. Here you can check what is the status showing. It means it is challan created. Maybe you send to the warehouse, may you not be. Correct? What we understood, here you do not enter the LR number, all this thing. It means you do not send the material. If you have entered the LR number, it means we understood you send the material. Then again, as per the HO team who is checking, this is the 16th November of the challan, but it is accepted or not accepted. Here you do not mention the LR number. Then we'll check. If it is accepted, no problem. If it is not accepted, then you are traveling because you do not have LR number. Hence, again humble request to all, put the LR number after sending the material so that HO team can check and force to the warehouse to update and to do the GRN timely basis so that he can also check in their system. Every time we will not ask provide LR number. Okay, we are not looking in that way. We asking put the LR number here. Understood? You can take the printout also here. SF action item pending. Whatever challan may be created, but it is something pending. You can check here. This is too old challan where you have raised the request. 6 manual order. It is accepted. Okay, this is the too olds and showing here, but is it accepted means there is no issue with that. Defect order dashboard. Defect order dashboard. Here you can check all your defective challan data.
Defective order dashboard.
Okay, defective order dashboard.
मतलब क्या होता है?
Dashboard reports. Dashboard means all the data will be visible. Whatever the defective generated, either you send, either send and accepted, either you not send, it final reject, all data will be visible here. Now you can check here. Defect part status is very critical point for here. Defect part status. If defect part status is showing accepted, it means done. It's FPO generated. Here you can check FPO number also. This is the order number. This is returnable item. What is the FPO number? Here you can check. This is SAP code. Warehouse share this number. And this is the spares invoice number. Here you can check. Okay. This is SAP PO number. Okay, this is the original invoice. Invoice value was 192 rupees. What a FPO value? This is the old data. Okay, now we will check last 1 month data. We will saying, suppose I want to check how many part has accepted. I will say here and download accepted. This is way to check the defective challan things. Understood? Expired, claim, approve, you can create the challan. Rejected, you can clear, but final reject you cannot. Now this challan is accepted. You can check in the system. And you have a visibility also, what is the spare number, what is not spare number. This thing you can check in your ID also. Either holdback or holtas, both will be visible here. Okay, here you can check. This is the 2021. Now here you can check. This is very useful data for you. Invoice number, invoice value is what? 451. Okay, FPO value will generate for with 451 only. यहाँ पे है 451 बेसिक प्राइस. ओके, तो आपका सेम वैल्यू ही आएगा वॉट एवर द इनवाइस वैल्यू. मीन्स FPO जनरेशन ऑफ द स्पेयर्स बेस्ड ऑन द कंज्यूम्ड इनवाइस वैल्यू. जितने पे मैं आपको बिल करूंगा वो आप 1 साल बाद यूज करोगे तो भी मैं आपको उतने का ही डिफेक्टिव दूंगा. क्लियर? दिस इज द होल प्रोसेस फॉर द डिफेक्टिव. एनी डाउट?
अभी इन लोगों को वो प्रिंट नहीं लिया, वो चलान क्रिएट हो गया
बट प्रिंट नहीं लिया.
नहीं लिया.
तो यहाँ
I want to check from my ID how many they are not submitted, not print.
Not print, it means
they are
it
not
means is what?
submitted.
Not submitted means
They have to say, enter that defective order number and go there and submit that one, no, for printing a print challan बोल के डालने. They are not done. How many are there printing?
you can check here na. As he said, maybe he sent the, but he is not putting that, then you do not have a control.
This one not. Yeah, इसका वो submit just you open that defective challan.
हाँ, defective challan यहाँ पे है. Yes.
Something is there here. He has to submit here, no?
For what?
That line. No, he had to mark the tick and he had to write the serial number and submit. Print
This is
challan.
the creation challan na. This is the pending.
This was pending, no?
Yes.
Like this, I want to see total how many are pending. These
So
people-
just you go here and defect in your ID. Just go with your ID and search here. I have spoken. Defect part status is what? Collected.
The collected means these are all not they are
Created.
not created, but they are not submitted.
I am not getting your point.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली सर क्या बोल रहे हैं, अभी मेरा डिफेक्ट चलाना है सर,
नहीं,
मैं
अभी-
क्रिएट नहीं किया,
हाँ.
मैं सबमिट
वो
नहीं
वाला
लगा,
मैं-
बस साथ देखना चाहते हैं मेरा आईडी में कितना भी डिफेक्ट चलाना क्रिएट करना है.
हाँ, तो ये तो अभी दिखाया ना, यहीं पे दिखेगा.
मैं साथ का
No,
आईडी
no,
में जैसे
मेरा ID
हाँ, तो आप अपनी आईडी में यहाँ पे डिफेक्ट पार्ट स्टेटस पे कलेक्टेड डालो, आ जाएगा.
collected डाल दिए. अभी आप you run this one. How many will come? हाँ, okay. अभी देखो इतना आया ना,
हाँ.
खाली एक ही पेंडिंग है ना उसका.
Because here what happened, you can check the order status.
Again I have to check the order status.
Only one process. Remaining all
Resubmit.
resubmitted. Hence it is not coming. Why it is resubmitted? Because his ID may be blocked. How can you check?
Okay.
How can you check? Just
No, here.
wait.
not
That
That
I will
order
check.
resubmit that query I have written.
Order resubmit na. This is the resubmit case. Understood what he said? Total one line item is showing pending, but some is still unprocessed. The order will be visible only for creation where order is processed. Where order not processed, it will not create. Here you can just wait. I'll tell you na. And I show the reason. Okay, here you can check. What is showing? What is showing? Assigned block. He is blocked because of the outstanding. Suppose it is unblocked. I will just click on the submit. Your ID is blocked?
The ID was blocked. ID was blocked. इसका for agreement copy आज ही भेजा.
Blocked, na? This is blocked. Hence, once it is unblocked, it will process automatically.
No, again we have to resubmit. No.
No, it will automatically go. No need go. It will go automatically.
Orders and everything we have to resubmit.
No, it will go resubmit is means it is blocked na due to this reason. Once it is unblocked in SAP, then it goes for the SAP. Where it is SAP order generated. Here SAP order not generated. Okay?
So my query is there. I want to see how many, because these people are living like that only. It was going to HOA approval. Oh, data I have to see.
For what?
Sir, one thing, sir. Sir is asking, service center persons are there. They are not submitting the defective space to our company.
Correct.
Sir is saying that how to check how many members should send the defectives to H.
No. He is not asking that question.
Because once he has not submitted there, that will go.
Order not submitted in system or defective not submitted in warehouse.
No. Order not submitted
In system.
in system.
So you can just come here and put the status. Come to the sales order and put the status H status is resubmitted.
No, that not this one, boss.
Okay.
Defective के पास जाकर he has not submitted in 15 days, that will go for HO,
Expire.
HO approval, no?
Yes.
Before going to HO approval, I want to see how many are there like this, these people are not submitted.
Here you can check with the aging wise. Here we have a age. Ki how many challan age is there. Here you can check. He has created. Here you can check the age. We have mentioned SF age. Here you can check. This is this much the old of the challan. Means it going for the after 15 days it is expire. Here you can check and track. Understood? This is your point. Understood? In this way you can. Now order is, suppose these orders are resubmitted. After 15 days your ID is unblocked. Means this is problem for what? Management. Then you have to take the approval. This is the whole process for the defective challan.